Hello friends, so today's curbside video, because of one of the boosters, it's very time sensitive. You got to do this deal today, which is Monday, September the 4th, and happy Labor Day to all of you out there. Even if you wanted to place this order and then pick it up, you have a window of 3 days. You have that opportunity. So what we're doing is we are going to a desktop computer. Has to be a desktop for some of these offers, hitting that blue box to pick it up in store, and that is called your curbside pickup. Just if you're kind of new to this and you're like, well, how does that work? That's how it works. You're more of a tactile shopper and you like to go in the store and see what they have, and you're very particular. I made a video yesterday where I was like running around the store getting this and getting that. Watch that video. I'll link it at the end for more information. If you could do me a huge kindness and please like this video, and if you are not a subscriber, if you possibly could subscribe, it's completely free to do. I would be so grateful. Okay, so deal number one, you got to do this on a desktop computer. You can't do it through the app because this stupid booster only works through a desktop computer. 10 back when you spend 40, it expires today. We're stacking it with this one, which is 7 back when you spend 25 in health and wellness, and we're looking at allergy meds and some first aid stuff today. So we're going to grab in our basket one of these Airwick Lavender for $7.99, a first aid hydrogen peroxide for 99 cents. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 7 off, only working on that weird lavender scent. Then we're going to toss in 2 of the Tresemes for $6 a pop. For whatever reason online, you can get your $5 of Walgreens cash. In store, it's a $5 register reward. And we're going to load our best friend, which is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Last item we're going to get is one of these Astro Pro Allergy. It's like one of those ones that you inhale for $24.99. We have a $5 digital coupon, so please load it. I also want you guys to go to the Fetch Rewards app because I have 4,000 points when I get one of these 120 count inhalers. So that is pretty amazing right there. So I'm happy with that. Looking at the overall basket here, it's $45.97. Curbside pickup is free. A little bit of tax there and $16 melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $32.73 and get back $22.45 in Walgreens cash. So you can see that the 2 boosters are stacking and Tresemme is there, plus $4 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making it $3.52 for the 5 items or 70 cents per product. This is a tremendous deal. Okay, so the next deal that we have, again, is with this booster, and it expires today, which is the 4th. So get your order in today, Monday the 4th. Very imperative you're paying attention to that little tidbit because it's not going to work for the rest of the week. We're going to have a booster for in-store. Most of us got 6 back when you spend 25. Okay, so we are going to grab a men and a women's Gillette razor. So one of the Venus and then one of the Gillettes. They are on a BOGO 50% off. The promotion with these 2 is to buy 2, get 8 back in Walgreens cash. So how lovely is that on a BOGO 50% off? And we have $3 digitals for both the men and the women's razors. So definitely load those because it's really spectacular when you can save $6 on razors. Probably cheaper than the disposables if you look at the math at the end here. And we're also going to grab one of those Airwick Lavenders and then a 99-cent item. I just threw in a Walgreens hydrogen peroxide. Alternatively, if you want to grab a 99-cent candy bar, go for it. I just had it in the basket, so I was like, why not? And then for our friend, we're going to load this guy, which is a 7 off for the Airwick. We're also going to toss in 2 of these Tresemme shampoos for $6 or a shampoo and conditioner. And we're going to load this guy, which is a 4 off of 2. Everybody received this yesterday. So how lovely is this coupon? So looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $40.71. Curbside pickup is free. Remember, we're doing this on a desktop computer, not through the app. Bit of tax there. I'm not factoring in the tax because every state the tax is very different. $17 in manufacturers melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $26.15 and get back $23.40. Now, if you look at the tax, every state is different. Some states it's a lot less. So you possibly could be getting this for free. I mean, it's just an absolute tremendous basket any way you slice it or dice it. This is the one I would probably be doing. If you like the Tresemme and the razors, you have the best of every single world, and I would definitely do this deal today. Even if you can't pick it up, you will still get your Walgreens cash because the order was placed today, and it's up to 3 days out. Okay, deal number 3. Now, these are not with boosters, so you can do these right up until Saturday the 9th. We have this item called True Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum for $18.99, which is quite a bit of money, but I know a lot of you are all about skincare and taking good care of your skin. We have this digital coupon, which is a $6 off, loaded at the very least, because if this goes on sale, we might have an even better deal later in the month. And we have an IVC coupon, which is a 3 off. So IVC is Walgreens coupon, and that's why it says with my Walgreens. 99-cent item. It's either candy or gum or hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to go with gum because I'm not a total monster. Or grab whatever you want. We have this IBOTTA rebate for $6 back for a True Skin. Please make sure that you have it in your app. And then Shopkick is giving back $1.44. Some accounts have much larger rebates, but mine's only $1.44. So looking at this, guys, we have the 99-cent gum and $18.99 True Skin, which is an oil that you put on your face. The overall basket is $19.98. IVC coming off. Curbside pickup is free. This specific basket, yes, you can order it through your phone. $6 melting off for $11.94. Factoring in IBOTTA and Shopkick, it's $3.98. $3.98 for both the serum and the 99-cent item if you wanted to get, a candy bar or the gum or hydrogen peroxide, you pick. But what a tremendous deal to get that product. It's a newer product. I know a lot of us have been curious about it. I'm certainly going to get one in the next couple of weeks, but just an opportunity. And if your Shopkick is offering a lot of points back, I would definitely get this item. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at, and I know a lot of you are all about the Cottonelle. Well, this 9 mega roll equals 36 is back down to $10. So we're going to throw 2 of them into a basket for $20. A lot of us are going to get that, spend 20, get back 6. Maybe add 3 tomorrow and make that happen. It'll be a little bit more out of pocket, but you'll get something back. We have this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. I think most of us received it, so hopefully you loaded it a couple weeks back. And if you like Cottonelle, you know that this is a good deal. So 2 of those toilet papers is $20. Curbside pickup is free. And yes, you can order this specific basket through the phone. $4 coming off. So I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay the $7.20. Check, Fetch, Ibotta, all those different rebates if there might be a little something back for Cottonelle. But definitely those first 2 baskets, if you can line them up perfectly, make them happen. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.